everyone. I'm Jenny Gaines, Senior Director of Membership and Engagement here at SOCMA, and I want to take just a few minutes this morning to stop and invite you to our ESG workshop that's going to be held April the 11th at Milliken in Spartanburg, South Carolina. This is a great opportunity for all of you to come together with companies and professionals in the industry to discuss your ESG programs. You can benchmark against industry. You can participate in discussions and educational sessions that are geared toward ESG topics. And also you can learn from SOCMA about the tools and resources that we have available to you as you kickstart your own ESG journey. Again, if you haven't signed up, this is geared toward the manufacturing sector. I'm happy to get you on our list. You can reach out to me at jgaines@socma.org or give me a call at 571-348-5110. I'm happy to answer any questions. And again, we do hope to see you all in Spartanburg, South Carolina at Milliken on April the 11th. Have a great week, everyone.